How is there a full parking lot today? How is this happening? Jeez Louise, are you kidding me? Oh, can I get in there? Guess maybe I can. I don't know, man. Yes, indeed, a little wet out today. My feet are gonna get so wet. I can already feel it. Nice little stream here. Trying to walk on the sides, but it's probably all for naught. I'm just not going to be able to avoid it. Well, good morning, everybody. As you heard me say on the car ride over, going down the Center Point Trail here, check out the goat trail. Boy, this is like a river. It's been raining a lot over here this morning. Woo! Of course, my big thing is lightning. Hadn't heard any thunder, hadn't seen any lightning, so I think all we're dealing with today is just rain. Hopefully it'll clear out of here in the next hour. It is brightening up. It's not as dark as it was. So that's good. Look at this. Look at this. The trail is a stream. There we go. Well, the rain has started to let up, thankfully. So maybe that was the worst of it. If it is, I timed that just right. I cannot believe the number of people in the parking lot. That's crazy. I always thought on a day like today, there wouldn't be many folks. But I was wrong. Way off. Lesson learned on that. Haven't done this trail in a while, so we'll see how it treats me. I can feel the water going down my back. Everybody's staying at home today, watching the football games. Had the college openers basically last night. So yeah. And here's me walking down a trail, more like a stream at the moment. getting all wet. There's actually a, yeah, there it is. Here's a bit of a side trail, because that stuff down there gets so muddy, so absolutely filthy muddy. You hear the birds chirping. All right, walk through here. I've only ever used. Well, I do a lot of long distance backpacking. Oh, yeah. This is a must have.
I had no idea it was gonna rain.
We don't do like anything.
Oh, yeah, well, you're like the 8th group I've seen, or not the 8th group, the eighth person, and none of them had umbrellas.
Yeah.
So y'all are in the same boat, but
yeah.
It's not so bad. It's not storming. It's not, you know, not too bad.
Yeah, and it's not crazy humid either.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
I prefer this than it being blazing.
Oh, sure. Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
And it was really foggy, but then it would clear up and then get foggy.
See, that's what I'm hoping for. I want to get some shots with my GoPro here
Yeah.
and try to get some time lapse of the clouds. We'll see.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Cool.
But, get out of the way so they can go by. All right.
Enjoy.
Yeah, thanks. Oh my goodness. What have we here? Wow. This sucker went tumbling. Whew. And how are, oh, okay. See the route right here. I don't know if they even have anybody doing maintenance on this trail. This is probably from the storm a few weeks ago. I just wish there would be a break in the rain so I can, whoa! Look at that big boy. Just a rat snake, it's nothing dangerous. But look at that big old sucker, he's pretty. Wow, that's cool. Big old rat snake or blue racer. Huh. Almost didn't see him. Thought he was a stick. I guess the weather has got these critters moving. Okay, I think I'm getting close to the spur for the goat trail. It's just been one wet mess all the way down. So, ooh, what's all this? Is that mud or? Yeah, okay. Little sinkhole over there. I remember that. Got my other camera covered up right now. Just kind of making sure I don't get too wet. Can't afford these getting new cameras all the time. A little much. Boy, it's foggy again. It was cleared up there for a minute. The fog has really kind of moved back in. Yeah, this definitely reminds me of the Appalachian Trail. Remember 2019 hiking on that thing. for 5 days it was like this. It would just have, it would be light rain like this, although this is pretty steady. And then there would be just heavy downpours, and then off and on like that for 5 straight days. All right, at the intersection. Nobody camping. So let's head on down. I'm sure there are more people down here because judging by that parking lot, I mean, I've never seen a full parking lot like that on a day like this. I mean, like, who in the world is coming out here? So, besides people like me. Okay, this is the stuff you gotta worry about. Slick, wet rocks. Just so easy to lose your footing here. Like on this, I would not step on that big sucker. Instead, on the dirt all around it. All right, coming up to the bluff line. Ooh, go this way. Avoid the big shiny rocks. Oh, great, now I get down here and it stops. That's okay though. I'm not complaining. Oh, the tree's bent over here. What happened here? Interesting. Okay. I hear other people. All right, how are you? All right. Hoping that rain clears out of here so I can get some pictures.
Oh, it's beautiful over there. It's dry, so you can get some great pictures even with the rain.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
There's like a fog rising up out of the valley.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think
I
it's
can get
better
some
with the rain, honestly.
Well, you can get some cool time lapses with that sort of
I was
thing.
telling him on the way in. I wish we had a way to do that.
Yeah, I got all this GoPro stuff. It works good. Yeah, you too. Heading back to the top of Center Point. Oh man, how do I get down here without slipping? And about a 3-mile hike up, something like that. Just came across 2 groups of people, and they had dogs, and so clearly they did not know the rules. It's not legal to have dogs on trails in the Buffalo River area. There are 1 or 2 trails that allow, but Center Point is not one, and obviously the goat trail isn't one. You don't bring dogs out to this environment, you know, that they're not used to, and then, you know, let them run around. It's just too much of a hazard. Dog could push a kid off, and they were with kids too. So some kids and 1 adult woman and 1 adult male, acting as if this is just a walk in a city park. I just passed 2 people coming down the trail, and they had 2 big dogs. One of them was probably 70 pounds. The other was a Great Dane, a big old brown Great Dane. Came up to my waist. No leashes. That makes 4 dogs that I've seen in less than an hour. I don't get it. Why can't people read about the trails? They hear about them and just come out thinking it's a city park. Anyway, I'm not gonna rant on, but that to me is incredible. I do not get it. I do not get it. Hate those things.